Here we see a building with the intruder alarm set. The first person in doesn't usually have to unset the alarm and either doesn't have the code or forgets it. This results in a false alarm, which can be embarrassing, time-consuming, and costly. Paxton10 can connect to the intruder alarm in order to prevent this type of false alarm. With integration, people cannot enter the building while the alarm is set if they do not have permissions to unset it. If a person does have alarm unset permissions, then as they present their credential, the alarm will automatically be unset. The door will not be opened until the alarm has been confirmed as unset. This usually happens instantaneously. At the end of the day, authorized users can set the alarm again by presenting their credential to a dedicated reader. Here, we have a Paxton10 door controller, 2 readers, and an alarm connector. Inside each box, we have a fitting kit and some simple instructions. The Paxton10 door controller and access control reader are mounted in the normal way. The dedicated alarm set reader should be mounted in an appropriate place near the alarm panel. It must be located within the secure area. The Paxton10 alarm connector is designed to be mounted within the intruder alarm control panel housing. The alarm connector can wire to any Paxton10 controller using the connector port. The intruder alarm will have outputs that communicate the current alarm set status and whether or not the alarm is currently sounding. The intruder alarm should have a momentary input, often called a key switch input, that allows Paxton10 to change its set-unset status. The dedicated alarm set reader can be wired to an unused reader port in any nearby door controller. Multiple alarm connectors can be used to support different alarm zones. In any single zone, only one alarm connector is required, even if there are multiple doors that are affected. To add your intruder alarm to the system, navigate to Devices and find your alarm connector in the device panel. You will only see the device panel if you have System Engineer permissions. Drag in the alarm connector, name, and select Intruder Alarm. Click on the New Intruder Alarm and select the Configuration tab. From here, you can set the alarm input types. You can also select any doors you want to be locked shut when the alarm is set. This is normally all doors going into the building or area. You can select the dedicated alarm set reader or readers. Select the doors from which you want the alarm to be unset. You may only want the alarm to be unset from a specific location, for example. Under the Permissions tab, Building, you can view and edit the permissions associated with this intruder alarm. More information can be found in the Building Permissions video. Multiple intruder alarms can be set up for different areas, buildings, or sites. Here, we see a person presenting their credential. The intruder alarm is automatically unset, and they are permitted entry. At the end of the day, the alarm set process is as simple as presenting a valid credential to the dedicated reader and leaving. Thanks for watching. For more information about Paxton10, have a look at some of our other videos.